Okay, so I'm reviewing the dog pooper scooper, and I was reading the pointers, and it said to put your bag over the pooper scooper. I've never done that before, so I'm like, that's a good idea. Usually I just scoop the poop and wash it off, but this is good for the winter when you don't have a hose available. So there's some poop. Those were the poopers that I showed you earlier. Oh. It was frozen, but I got it. Let's go for more poop. Let's see if this can help. The bag can hold it. Looks like some fresh poop. Scooped. Scooped. And pretty much hands-free. Now I'm going to release it somehow with one hand here, just to show you. And there you have it. Your greatest tutorial on winter poop scooping. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's, it's fine, but it's short. It's just short. So you gotta really squat. You gotta really squat down. But yeah, I guess it's handy and it's strong and it's made of thick, durable plastic. Yeah, so I like it.